This is a used 2012 Mazda 3. Zoom Zoom. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include a sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, blind spot sensors, a HomeLink system, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: xenon headlamps, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.